back to my channel. So I'll do another chainsaw review. This actually I featured in my other video where I did the review of the Peakway chainsaw, which I bought brand new. This I've actually owned for I think 1 year. I've had it 1 year, so this will be a 1 year review of the chainsaw. It's a Garwinner. I bought it out of Amazon. It's a 62cc, so it's just about the same size as the Peakway. The Peakway is actually a 63, I think it says, but who knows if that's what it actually is. Usually the same fuel mixture ratio, 25:1, 20-inch bar, pretty much the same, you know, made in China. You know, it's got the magnesium crankcase. Muffler, I think, is the same. The bar and chain look to be the same, and the bar and chain actually are decent quality. Actually pretty good quality considering it's made in China. The plastics on it are pretty durable, pretty good quality. This one has a throttle lock, which the Peakway does not. And this has got the cheap toggle switch, which I don't care for. I prefer the red start and stop switches on these cheap toggle switches. But that's okay. Same choke lever. The air filter pops on about the same. They both have some kind of plastic bracket in the back here, which is, you know, very convenient getting the air filter on and off rather than taking out a bunch of screws. I think the air filter is about the same on both of them. I think it's the same size. I think they look the same too. Both cheap mesh air filter, but they seem to work okay. The handlebar on this one's a little bit cheaper. I think it was a little better quality on the Peakway. I like the chain brake on this. It also has the tensioner on the side here, which I like very much. Yeah, so I've used this 1 year and it's been a great saw. Cut up quite a bit of wood. Pretty big stuff. You know, for this was $129 on Amazon, so pretty good deal. You know, it's a year. I'm still using it. It still runs great. You know, who knows how long it will actually last, but you know, it's worth 129 bucks, I think. So, and I already did a clip of using it, so I'll add that, splice that in. You'll get to see me use it and cut wood with it. It cuts really good, so yeah, I like it. Happy with the purchase, so I'd recommend it. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can check it out on Amazon. They still have it, I believe, same price. I think they actually have two. I think they have one that's maybe a 56 or 58 cc with an 18-inch bar, maybe. It might be a little bit cheaper, I'm not sure. But anyway, thanks for checking out the video, and like and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. We'll do quite a few more chainsaw videos. I got quite a few. I got some projects I want to work on. And then I got my two side-by-sides that I'm doing videos on that I'm adding upgrades to. So check those out if you like, and thanks for watching.